some of you guys may be aware that the live stream we were doing the other night, Vector Potential and I decided to trade off on some locks, and he was going to send me a couple of locks that he was having a really hard time with. One of those locks being an Assa 600 with barrel spools, and you guys know how much I just slay barrel spools, right? I mean, it's one of my specialties. To be honest, I really thought I would have zero trouble with that thing. Don't forget to like. He sent me that, he sent me a 700, and he sent me a Goal Z. And these are all the ones that he had in his lock lab. Well, I'm afraid these locks that he sent me are cursed or diseased in some way. And so now I've got to perform an entire exorcism on these locks, okay? Because for some reason, Vector thought it was a good idea to send me something cursed. He's put a curse in my lock lab. And not only did Vector send me a cursed lock, but the other day, somebody else sent me something cursed as well. And so I've got like 5 curses running in the lock lab right now. And so tonight we are going to break the lock lab curse. We're going to try a few different things, and hopefully one of these things helps, because honest to God, these guys are sending me cursed locks left and right. And if this is going to spread to all my other locks, we're going to be in big trouble here. We're going to be in big trouble. I do not approve of this at all. This can't keep happening. And so now we've got to exorcise these demons. So let's figure that out. We're going to need some supplies. I'll be right back. So I've picked up some candles, white, of course, being for like good vibes, good spirits and whatnot. So we're going to use a white candle. I've also got some sage here. We're going to burn some sage around the lock lab. And I've also got this beautiful crystal here. By the way, this is the crystal that's been absorbing all you guys' mojo. But here it is, okay? So we're going to keep this nearby. We're going to light some incense. We're going to have some sage. We're going to light a candle. Hopefully we can dispel this curse from this lock lab. So let's light the candle. I think it's not a good sign that my lighters quit working in the middle of all this too, right? Now we've got to light some sage. Thanks a lot, Vector. This is a lot of work just to pick a lock, okay? All right. So I've got my curse breaker tray here. We're going to go ahead and run the sage across some of these. West 917 is cursed. Just to be safe, we're going to do the entire lock lab, okay? And we might do some chanting as well. Alright guys, that was it. I just wanted to share this with you. And you're welcome, Vector, because when I send your locks back, the curse should be lifted. Now, if this doesn't work, we're going to have to resort to Catholicism and get a real-life exorcist up in here. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe.